So, something new. Let's see how we do. All clear. 3, 2, 1. I let her go a mile or a mile, mate. Oh, she's way through the yellow box, way through the yellow box. Tires can't be too good after that. That's a long, long run there. Oh, I can hardly even swallow here. The tires. Woo! Stop. Breathe. Oh, come on, come on! So I do need to go up my tooth. I need to go up my tooth. Because that was as clean a run as it's ever been, like. Right, that'll do. Ultimately, I did what I knew was going to get me to 150 again. Some Turnigy lipo heating batteries bags, which worked a treat. So I heated the batteries all the way up to 40 degrees. First run, because the batteries were nice and warm, got 150. Second run, a wee while later, didn't heat the batteries up again, down to 147, and that was after topping the batteries up. So just goes to show you. Now the reason I did that was because currently the temperature over here is 15 degrees. The day that originally, the time and the day that I got my 150 miles per hour run, we were 31 degrees, 30 degrees, give or take a few. And it had been like that there for 4 or 5 days. So the batteries were roasting. So yeah, obviously anybody running in a hot country has a big advantage straight away. So they do. In this wee country here, obviously we have the perks of it being green. Doesn't really help us speedrunners, does it? But they get that wee bit extra out of those batteries. I decided to heat them up. At this time of night, this is why I was coming down during the summer at this time, because daylight to 11 o'clock, and look, there's not a single person, not a single car. The road is your own. So, look, ultimately, no crashes, car went well, happy. Another fellow with me, he enjoyed himself, he didn't crash, didn't push the car too hard. So look, keep it real guys, alright?